Hey everybody, this is Aman. Welcome back to my channel, Aman's Dream USA. How are you guys doing? So in this video, we are going to be unboxing the MacBook Pro 2020 M1 chip. So before we start unboxing, let me tell you some things. I'm a first-time Mac user. I have never used Mac before. I have always used PCs and Windows all my life. So this is going to be a unique experience for me. So let's see how it goes. So the basic MacBook Pro comes for $12.99. $12.99, which is just 8 gigabytes of memory and 256 gigabytes of storage, which is not enough for me. So that's why I added 2 extra things to it. Instead of taking that 8 gigabytes of memory MacBook, I took 16 gigabytes of memory, and then I also, instead of getting 256 gigabytes of storage space, I added 256 more and made it 512 gigabytes of space. So I added 8 gigabytes extra memory, for which they charged me $200 extra, and I also added more space. Instead of getting 256, I got 512, so I paid $200 extra for that. So $12.99 plus 200 plus 200 comes to $1698, which is $1,700, and then taxes, with taxes it comes to almost $1,800. I'm very excited to do the unboxing of this MacBook Pro. I cannot wait anymore. So let's just do it. Let's see what comes in the box and what we get in the box and how the new MacBook Pro M1 chip looks. So let's do it. That smell of Apple. Fresh product. खोलते हैं बाद में, पहले दिखाते हैं डब्बे में क्या है. What's in the box? Let's see. So this is what we got in the box, as you guys already saw in the video before. Charger. And this designed in Apple by California. Designed by Apple in California. Apple stickers. Case. There we go. This is real stuff. Brand new. Already gonna take it off. So now let's start. It looks really good. I got the space gray color. It looks very nice to me. So they gave this one headphone jack on the side, and they gave these Type-C adapters. So it only comes with the Type-C, it doesn't come with the USB. For that I got this cable that I ordered extra, so I can connect any other device with it. Yep, looks beautiful. So let's open it, and I'll show you guys. There we go. It turns on itself when you open this thing. It goes on. Wow, it's pretty nice. touchpad right here. We can just change it. Hey Siri, can you tell me how much memory I have in the MacBook Pro?
Your Mac has 16 gigabytes memory.
Is it good?
Interesting question.
So they also provided this touchpad. So you just put your finger and it unlocks it for you. That's what I like about it. They have this touchpad and I like the keys. Very fancy. I like the screen size. And I like how skinny it is. It's not too big, as you guys can see. It's pretty skinny, and I like the touchpad in the I think it's really good. I think it's pretty fancy, it's pretty skinny, and it's worth the money. I like it. It's nice screen, nice touchpad, nice keyboard, pretty smooth keyboard, and it has a very big trackpad. I like the trackpad because it's really big. In the Air, I went to see at the Apple store. In the Air, it was kind of small, but in this one it's pretty big, so that's a really good thing. The other thing that I forgot to mention is that because I'm a student, so Apple has a special deal for students. When you buy a MacBook, they give you $110 or I think $100 off if you're a student on your purchase, so that's a very good thing. So take benefit of it. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned and press that bell icon so you will be the first one to get the notification of my video. And if you have any more questions, you can leave a comment below, and I will also leave my Instagram link on the screen so you can contact me on my Instagram if you have any question. So this will be it for this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, take care.